judge in the Waycross Circuit. He is the administrative judge of the First Judicial Circuit. The First Judicial Circuit is 22 counties and 5 different judicial circuits. He's here on business of the Supreme Court of the state of Georgia.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge Russell. Good morning, everyone.
And Judge Russell, and I appreciate Judge Russell allowing me to be in. I have a brief matter to take up. Shouldn't take but a few minutes. As he introduced, I am Judge Jeff Tide of the Waycross Judicial Circuit. I'm also the administrative judge of the First Judicial Administrative District of Georgia, and I'm here in that capacity today. I have a matter to take up Judge Eddie Anderson, who is here, Chief Magistrate of Tattnall County. And Judge Anderson and all those present, I'm here by order of the Supreme Court of Georgia to impose a public reprimand in open court of the Superior Court of Tattnall County. That public reprimand reads as follows. The investigative panel of the Commission, and that is the Judicial Qualifications Commission of Georgia, has agreed with you, respondent Judge Eddie Anderson, to resolve this case with a public reprimand. Pursuant to Judicial Qualifications Commission Rules 17.d and 23, the investigative panel filed formal charges in this public reprimand with the hearing panel of the Commission for approval. After due consideration, the hearing panel approved the public reprimand and recommended the same to the Supreme Court of Georgia for final approval, which the court approved. Specifically, the acts of misconduct of which this public reprimand is given are as follows. Count 1, you violated Georgia Code of Judicial Conduct Rules 1.1 and 1.2 by engaging in ex parte conversations with and issuing demands to parties in an impending proceeding before your court. Furthermore, these demands were clearly contrary to clearly established law. Count 2, you likewise violated Rules 2.2 and 2.3 by yelling at the defendant in the same impending proceeding when that defendant failed to agree to your improper ex parte demands, demonstrating temperament unfit for a judicial officer and bias against the defendant on your part. Count 3, you violated Rule 2.9 for making the same ex parte demands and for engaging in an independent investigation about an impending proceeding in your court. You have met with the investigative panel and acknowledged that these actions violated the code and that the director and the investigative panel approved these allegations in a proceeding before the hearing panel. The public expects and the code demands that judges be held to a high standard of ethical conduct in discharging their responsibilities and duties. You are publicly reprimanded for failing to meet this standard. You are further cautioned that any repetition of such conduct can and likely will result in punishment of the severest possible nature. In arriving at a decision and recommending a public reprimand, the Commission balanced its public duty to ensure an honorable and independent judiciary with the responsibility to deal fairly with a judge who the citizens of Tattnall County have duly elected. The Commission also considered the following mitigating factors: your cooperation with the investigative panel by responding to the allegations of misconduct, your candor in meeting with the investigative panel, admitting to the mistakes and pledging to adhere to all provisions of the code in the future, and the fact that the acts of misconduct were not undertaken in bad faith or with malice, but rather with good intentions to resolve the underlying dispute. You are instructed and directed to carefully review and comply with each and every provision of the code, and to hereafter conduct yourself in accordance with such provisions. The Commission has taken this action in a continuing effort to protect public confidence in the judicial system and to assist the state's judiciary in its efforts to embody the principles and values set forth in the Georgia Constitution and the Code. And Judge Anderson, that concludes the reprimand. I will send a certification that same was opposed, and thank you.
Thanks, sir.
All right. And Judge Russell, thank you, and that does conclude my business before today. Judge Anderson, your excuse.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, now we get down to Tattnall County District, which is, like I said before, complete and most of the and also the